Okay, so we are finished another work week. It is Friday. I am so glad you're here. Welcome back, friends. I am hoping to entertain and motivate you with another cleaning video. I'm gonna go upstairs. I'm gonna tidy up my bedroom. My downstairs isn't too bad. That's where the living room and the kitchen is. My husband comes home and he will do the dishes, sweep, and vacuum up any dog hair. So we do have a little bit of tidying to do, but my son's napping on the couch right now, so we're not gonna bug him, and we will get to cleaning upstairs. We're gonna put some laundry away. We need to just tidy up the bedroom. I would like to wipe down my nightstands and reorganize my makeup table or just put stuff away. So we'll go up and do that. And we'll see what else we can fit in. But I'm so happy you're here, and I hope this video gives you motivation. I hope that you enjoy what I'm posting, and if you have any suggestions, please leave it in the comments. I'm so grateful it's Friday and the weekend's here. We get to go celebrate my sister-in-law's 50th birthday. She's been married to my brother for over 30 years, and she's not just my sister-in-law, she's also my best friend. And she's not just that, she's also like a second mom to my boys. I absolutely love her. Her name is Carrie. So we're gonna go celebrate her, and I will maybe do a little post of me in our local flower shop that is stunning. It's at her house, and she's got like a little shed where she has her little store. So I'm gonna stop in there for flowers before we go to dinner tomorrow. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this video. And again, I am so happy you're here. I'm very excited. I have over 520 subscribers, which is amazing. Like, I just look at it, just imagine being in a room with 500 people and talking to them. If you guys were all standing in front of me, I would be so nervous. I'm not gonna lie. But thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing. If you're not subscribed and you like this video, please subscribe and give me a thumbs up, and let's get to it.
Carry emotions, the weight of the ocean. You keep climbing mountains, too blind to see. It's not getting you closer to where you wanna be. Your life, the weight on your shoulders, time to put it down. You fall and you break, you got battles to take on, but you figure it out, yeah. And you fall and you break, you got changes to make now. See the light at the end of the tunnel, it's right there, now just look up and follow. Take one step at a time, babe, I'm with you all the way. So baby, get up, 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 up. No, don't you stay down, 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 down. Now lift yourself up, 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 up. Baby, baby, get up, baby, get up. The brighter you're shining, the darker skies get. So used to be hiding behind your fears, but from my perspective, you got just what it takes. You're in control here, don't you forget. You fall and you break, you got battles to take on, but you figure it out, yeah. When you fall and you break, you got changes to make now. See the light at the end of the tunnel, it's right there, now just look up and follow. Take one step at a time, babe, I'm with you all the way. And baby, get up, no, don't just stay down, and lift yourself up. Baby, baby, get, so baby, get up, so baby, get up. Don't just stay down, down, no, no, no. Yeah, yeah, baby, get up. step at a time, but I'm with you all the way. So baby, get up. No, don't you stay down. Go and lift yourself up. Baby, baby, get up.
Don't you think laundry is just one of those never ending chores? I find myself doing laundry at least every other night. If not, then I usually do laundry every night. I feel like I don't always put it away though. I will kind of sit with it in the basket and then let it kind of pile up for a few loads and then put it away. And one of the little things that I do, I don't want to say it's a trick, it's not a trick, but what I do is I always take all the empty hangers when I hang out my clothes and I put them in that basket. And I use the hangers in the basket to hang the clothes that are clean. And then when I put the clean clothes away, I grab all the empty hangers out of the closet and reload the basket. That's kind of a little system that I have to make sure there's not a whole bunch of empty hangers in the closet. And that basket lives in my hall closet, which on my Instagram, I do have a photo of my hall closet that I redid, my linen closet upstairs in the hallway. And I can definitely put a photo of it here so you can see. But this here is a handy little trick that it just helps to keep the hangers where they need to be and not a pile of empty hangers in your closet.
my window. Sun's coming up like the day before. You're like a stone on my pillow. I don't make a sound when I shut the door. You don't have to wake up yet. We can spend all day in bed. I'll put the TV in the room. We'll have a Netflix marathon. Kenny G saxophone. We'll order in a bunch of food. I'll put your favorite music on all the way baritone. Yeah. Shut the lights, go infrared. We can spend all day in bed. I get the wine and the corkscrew. You don't have to do one single thing. You don't know how much I want you. Just looking at you makes my whole world spin. You don't have to wake up yet. We can spend all day in bed. I'll put the TV in the room. We'll have a Netflix marathon. Kenny G saxophone. We'll order in a bunch of food. I'll put your favorite music on all the way baritone. Shut the lights, go infrared. We can spend all day in I'll put the TV in the room. We'll have a Netflix marathon. Kenny G saxophone. We'll order in a bunch of food. I'll put your favorite music on all the way baritone. Shut the lights, go infrared. We can spend all day in bed.
Okay guys, so we tackled our one thing that we had on our list, which was to get this master bedroom cleaned. We got the laundry put away, we got everything vacuumed, the bed was tidied, and I'm gonna continue to move on. I'm gonna do a few other things around the house. Thank you so much for watching till the end of the video. I hope that you enjoyed it, and I'll be sure to share some of the birthday party from tomorrow, celebrating my sister-in-law's 50th birthday. I can't believe she's 50. She definitely doesn't look it. She's just, I love her. She's beautiful. She's just everything. So I am very excited. I'm excited to get some of the chores done tonight so I don't have to worry about them tomorrow. Behind me here, that is Juno, my orange kitty. We also have another kitty, which is Ruby. She's not as friendly as Juno. Juno will purr even if you just look at him. Ruby will hiss at you. So two completely different personalities. But anyhow, thank you so much for watching. I can't wait to see you in the next video, which will be next weekend. Enjoy your weekend, enjoy your week, and thank you, thank you, thank you. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. And if you enjoyed the video, please subscribe to the channel. There's so much more to come. Take care.